Hello guys and welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to factory reset Roku camera to default settings. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly reset your Roku camera here? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to remove your SD card. So if your camera has an SD card, remove it first to prevent data loss during the reset process. Now, next is you want to plug the camera or plug in the camera. So ensure the camera is connected to power and is turned on. Now, you want to locate the setup button. So you want to go ahead and look underneath the camera for a small setup button, and if the button is covered by a mount plate, remove it. In this case, remove the mount plate to access it. So typically speaking, it's going to be underneath here. So just for illustration purposes, it's going to be in this area here. Go ahead and look for that specific reset button. Now, next is you want to press and hold the setup button for about like 10 seconds, then release it. Now, allow for at least like 30 seconds for the camera to restart. Watch the indicator light on the camera, and when it flashes red, the reset is complete. Now, after reset, you can go and configure the camera as if it were brand new. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.